Hi friends, welcome to RDC channel. Today we are going to see about Lord Palani temple, which is also called as the Arulmigu Dandayadabani Swami temple. Palani is located in Dindikkal district, which is 100 kilometers far from Coimbatore and 67 kilometers far from Kodaikanal. Palani Murugan temple is located on a hill. To reach the hill, there are three different ways: footpath, winch and rope car. We traveled via rope car. So we got the ticket for rope car, and the rope car operating timings are from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. with 1 hour break between 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. After getting the ticket, we have to wait inside a room for a turn. Fare for the rope car will be, for one way is 15 rupees. The special way will be 50 rupees. It takes approximately 3 minutes to reach the Lord Palani temple via rope car. So apart from road car, we have two different ways: winch and by footpath. So via footpath itself, there are two different ways: by normal steps and elephant path. So normal steps will be little more difficult when compared to elephant path. In normal steps, there will be 680 steps approximately, and during that path, we have small mandapams throughout the path so that we can take rest, or we can sit and relax for some time, and then we can continue the journey. The another route, which is the elephant path, which was mainly constructed for the elephants during the festival time to reach the Lord Muruga temple in Palani. So in this route, the number of steps are less when compared to the normal one, and it will be easier to climb also. So regarding the winches, there are three winches in Palani. It operates from 5:20 to 9 p.m. and the cost of journey for winch for upward and downward is rupees 10 for adults and rupees 5 for children. The special way rates are 25 rupees. So now we will see the temple worship timings. The temple worship timings will be from morning 5:30 a.m. to night 9:30 p.m. The devotees can make a free darshan, and there are also special entrances available at rupees 10, 100, 150. In special days, the fees is 20, 200 and 300. And one more special feature in Palani temple is the golden chariot. We can pull the golden chariot by paying rupees 2000. It should be pre-booked, and the timing is evening 7 p.m. only. So after darshan, you can buy all kinds of prasadam at the top of the hill itself. Here in Palani, Panjamridam is the most famous prasadam, and which will be more delicious. Okay, let's go to a short history about the Lord Murugan temple. So once Naradar visited Lord Shiva, and when during that visit he had a fruit called Jnanapalam, which is none other than mango. So there was a competition, like whoever comes around the world, like it was between Lord Muruga and Lord Ganesha. Whoever comes around the world first will get that Jnanapalam from Naradar. So at once when the competition was announced, Lord Muruga started to come around the world with his Vahana, or the vehicle, his own vehicle, a peacock. But Lord Ganesha, what he told was, for him the entire world was his parents, and he just came around his parents and he got that fruit. So once when Lord Muruga returned from the journey, and when he came to know that Lord Ganesha already got the fruit, he became angry and he went and sit at the top of the Palani hill, and that is how the history comes, and the Lord Palani temple was constructed in this hill. So the temple was constructed around during the 7th century AD. The idol which is kept in the Lord Palani temple is made up of Navabhashanam, which is a mix of 9 precious herbs, and it was made by Bohar, who is one of the 18 Siddhas. Palani is also one of the 6 Arupadai Veedu of Lord Muruga. Free Annadanam will also be provided to all in the temple, but it will be a little more crowded, and we need to wait for at least 1 hour to get into the mandapam and get the food for that. Thank you friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, like and share our video. Thank you. Bye.